Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Saturday, June 10th, 2017. Critical fire weather conditions continue to remain in place over much of the southern Great Basin today and into Sunday. We're expecting very strong winds today and even stronger winds tomorrow, in particular across western Utah. These winds are coming ahead of a very strong cold front that will move through the northern portions of the area on Sunday into Monday, and we'll see a significant drop in temperatures for early next week. Past 24 hours worth of precipitation and lightning are shown here, with just some light precipitation occurring over Idaho and the far northern fringes of Nevada, and there was a little bit of lightning activity that squeaked into far western Idaho. Current fire activity is shown on this map, with a few larger fires occurring in the Uinta Basin and over southern Utah. Current ERCs are shown here with a continuing upward trend across much of the southern and eastern Great Basin. Many of those values are moving up into the 70th to 80th percentile, with a few knocking on the door of the 90th percentile. While these values are on the upward trend right now, we should see them all decrease over the next few days as the cold front moves through. Current ERC trends are shown here for the Uinta Basin on the top and Color Country on the bottom. These values are much above normal for the time of year and have seen a rapid increase. This morning's satellite imagery shows that very strong area of low pressure approaching the coast of the Pacific Northwest. It's this low pressure system that is bringing the strong winds to the Great Basin today and tomorrow, and will also bring a much cooler air mass with wetter conditions across the north starting on Sunday. This afternoon's conditions continue to show that area of low pressure moving further eastward, resulting in dry, warm southwest winds across much of southern Nevada and Utah. There is some precipitation expected to move into the northern portions of the area associated with that low pressure system today. However, those showers will be limited mainly to the mountains of central Idaho, although some showers are possible in the lower elevations of western Idaho and northwest Nevada. Wind gusts are expected to be strongest over western Nevada, southern Nevada, and particularly southwest Utah. Red flag warnings have been issued for these areas. On Sunday, the area of low pressure digs further south and continues to move slightly to the east. This will dramatically increase the winds, particularly over southern Nevada and western Utah. Much cooler temperatures with more widespread showers and thunderstorms will move into Idaho and northern Nevada. The extent of those showers is shown on the map on the left, with a high wind warning shaded in orange over southern Nevada and western Utah. Wind speeds for Sunday afternoon are shown in the image on the right, with some of the highest wind speeds forecast that I've seen in western Utah, with gusts between 60 to 70 miles an hour possible across Utah's west deserts and the far southern portions of Nevada. It's going to be very windy on Sunday. On Monday, the area of low pressure finally swings through the Great Basin, bringing a strong cold front throughout the state and dropping temperatures significantly, and winds should die down by Monday as well. Showers are expected to move further east and south on Monday, with mountain snow possible, even as far south as central Nevada and central Utah. Temperatures will drop dramatically, with highs in the 50s and 60s for much of the region. 3-day precipitation accumulations are shown here, with the bulk of the precip being limited to the central Idaho mountains, western Wyoming, and northern Nevada. On Tuesday, the area low pressure exits the region, and we'll begin to see some drying and warming move back into the Great Basin. Gradual warming continues on Wednesday with westerly flow, and into Thursday and Friday. Dry, sunny conditions will return to the southern half of the Great Basin, with a chance of some cloudiness and cooler temperatures possible over the northern Idaho mountains. The 7-day precipitation totals look much like the 3-day. The second half of the period won't see much more precipitation, except for maybe over the central Idaho mountains and possibly western Wyoming. The extended forecast looking into the second week of June is calling for a return of very warm temperatures to much of the western U.S., with a below normal signal in precipitation across most of the Great Basin. This concludes today's fire potential briefing. Please check back tomorrow for the latest updates.